Hello, this is a quick tutorial about how to use subtitles or live closed captioning on Microsoft PowerPoint on both the Microsoft 360 online version as well as the desktop version. The online version is very simple. You just navigate to Slideshow and then click Always Use Subtitles. Then when you go to present, you'll notice those subtitles will come up automatically. I can give you an example here. Testing the subtitles, testing the subtitles. You can see at the bottom the subtitles show up as you're in presenter mode. Doing this in the desktop version is a little more complicated, but once you get it set up, it's very easy. Similarly to the online version, you will navigate to Slideshow. You will select Always Use Subtitles. Under Subtitle Settings, you will select the spoken language. You'll also select where you would like for the subtitles to show up. If you don't want them to show up on top of your PowerPoint, you can make them show up below your PowerPoint. You also need to select More Settings, Windows. This will bring you to a window within your Windows computer in the settings that gets you access to the accessibility and captions feature. You will need to navigate to here under live captions. You will need to turn that on. What that will do is it will prompt your computer to download a language package. Click whatever you need to OK that. That will create a live caption system within Microsoft that pops up, and this will caption videos and things that come up on the computer. Under Settings, you can select Preferences and include microphone audio or filter profanity. If you're going to use this captioning feature and things outside of Microsoft PowerPoint or the Microsoft ecosystem, this could be a good idea to help you caption your videos, is to just leave this window up. You can navigate to other windows using this, and then you can use ScreenPal to capture it. For Microsoft PowerPoint, now we have the tools we need already from downloading that language package that we can use the captions in Microsoft. So I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to navigate back to my PowerPoint. Now I'm able to go to my slideshow, and here you can see I've got the presenter view set up for this particular screen recording, but you can see that the live captions are coming up on the recording. The live captions are pretty quick. They're pretty accurate, but you would need to still review these if you were recording this for a video and you were going to post it. As always, if you feel you need any assistance with any of these instructional softwares, feel free to reach out to Teaching and Learning.